Hi guys, and welcome to an overview of an advanced search system developed using Excel VBA. I'm going to show you guys how this works. First of all, let's start with the search function in here. As you can see, I click on that. It's telling me there's nothing to search. It's invalid. So let's enter some data in there. So I'm going to go for 9494. Give that a search. There we go. It's dynamic hunter. So let's say we want to search for someone else using a different column entirely. So I'm going to come in here. Let's search for pilot. I know we do have a lot of pilot on board there. So let's say pilot. There we go. Sally. Sally Southend. Okay, let's see if we can add some details. Reset. And just, okay, let's go back and just speed up things. And change this name to Dave. And here we can just say Johnson. Let's get rid of all of these. And that's it. So that is the details. I change the telephone number and the dates in the 25. There, we can change there's a passport in there and the fees. And that is it. Now let's change this. All we then need to do is to click on add. There we go. Look at Dave Johnson right there. Okay, we can also update the value, whatever value we have of Dave Johnson. And here we have the row counter. If I click on this, you can see we have 19 in total, which you can always validate on the worksheet. So like I said, this is just an overview, and I will see you guys shortly with the full tutorial. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.